Hello everyone, my name is Shrutika Parankar. Today we will discussing about the topic cyclical pricing. Know that the demand, supply and the price of the product both are correlated with each other. As the demand of the product increases, its price increases and it will affect on the supply of the product. We will discuss about the definition of cyclical pricing. When pricing is based on assessment of general economic environment, it is known as cyclical pricing. The pricing decision of the firm which are taken to suit the fluctuation in the business condition. There are two factors that will influence the prices. These are the seasonal and the cyclical factor which will influence the prices. In a condition of boom, it will increase its price, and in a condition of recession, it will decrease its price. Might remain same, but the profit margin is adjusted. Cyclical pricing refers to the appropriate pricing strategy at different stages of the business cycle. Now we will discuss about the types of pricing. There are mainly two types of pricing. Number one is rigid pricing and the second is flexible pricing. In rigid pricing, firms should not follow a stable pricing policy irrespective of a phase of economic cycle. Suppose if a consumer can postpone their purchase, they will not be affected by a fall or rise in price. Example, in case of eatable, consumer will not eat less if there is a rise in price or will not eat more if the income rises. Type of pricing is flexible pricing. Under flexible pricing, firms keep their prices flexible to meet the challenges of change in demand. Example, in case of FMCG and agricultural products, during recession price should also reduce, and when the income rises, price also raises. Cyclical pricing refers to appropriate pricing strategy at different stages of business cycle. So every business cycle consists of mainly four stages: recession, depression, recovery and prosperity. Contraction comprises of first two phases, that is recession and depression, and the recovery and prosperity constitute the expansion. First phase of business cycle, that is recession. In recession is characterized by decline in aggregate demand, wage rate, etc. The second is recovery. It causes decline in aggregate economic activity, which result in fall in purchasing power of the consumer. It is more apparent to say that prices are slashed during recession and peg up during a demand pull or a demand push. In formulating a pricing policy of a cyclical pricing, various factors such as demand, competition, cost push, price rigidity, price fluctuation due to substitute, purchasing power, market share and demand fluctuation should be taken into account. Price of the product depend on the three factors, that is demand, competition and cost push. We will discuss firstly about the demand. In demand, the necessary fall under non-durable good. Demand for them is constant and inelastic. For example, is food. The purchase of necessary good cannot be postponed, but the purchase of durable good can be postponed. Example is vehicle, TV, fridge. Second is competition. If the market is imperfect, firms compete against each other and there is an element of interdependence. The third is a cost push. Producers tend to pass on increase in cost of production to consumer in the form of higher prices. They might happen due to wage increase higher than output. Inadequate investment in plant may reduce the output. A shortage of factor of production, increase in price of basic raw material. We will discuss about the factors of cyclical prices. Number one is price rigidity. The cyclical fluctuations are caused by economic factors like income, profit, and the physiological factors like expectations of the consumer. And the second is price fluctuation. Fluctuation conform to cost changes at current full cost, standard full cost, and the incremental cost. The third is fluctuation due to substitute. The next is purchasing power. Price can be reduced because of fall in purchasing power of people during depression. The fifth is market share. Reduction in price will increase the market share. And the next is demand fluctuation. As the price increase due to increase in demand, India inflation is occurring, and according to the United States Federal Reserve, United States deflation was 0.00026 probably in the October 2022.